Even relaxing around the house can be hard on your joints, hips, and lower back. Get the relief you need with the Comfy Life Footrest. Our footrest is made of premium high-density memory foam for exceptional support and comfort. Heat-responsive technology conforms to the shape of your feet to provide ultimate relief. You can easily adjust the height to meet your needs, whether you're working from home, sitting at your office desk, or just relaxing on the couch. Flip it over, and it can be used as a rocker to keep your legs active. The non-slip rubber bottom keeps it secure in place, and the soft, velour cover is removable and machine washable. Give your feet a rest and find ultimate comfort with the Comfy Life Footrest.